So it's been a few years since I've done this type of video where you get to see where I cuddle, what happens, what the space looks like. And I'm gonna start you from the beginning. So this is where I stand when you walk to the door. I'm gonna show you what the door looks like. All right, so there you arrive. That poor grass is all dead out there. Usually, you come, you park. Ideally, you park in the driveway. You come in, you let me know you're here ahead of time so that I'm not still just getting ready. And you arrived. So yeah, you see me here. I'm gonna set you right there. Oh. And then I ask, would you like a hug, right? This is you. And I say, would you like a hug? And you're like, yes, of course, that's why I came. So I give you a hug, welcome you, and then we move on to the space. And I want to bring you down so I can hold on to you here. Okay, so you come on in, and then if you need to hang something, hi. Hang something, you can hang your stuff there on the hooks, and then you come through here. Usually you get a peek of the space, so let me show you what it looks like. So, oh yeah, before I get to that, I see the snuggle is real. Whee! So this is kind of cool. Then you kind of come through here and you see, wow, look at the space. Get an idea of what things look like. And we're gonna go walk in there a little bit more fully in a little bit. But then let's say I'll say, hey, so you might want to wash your hands, use the restroom. So you come through here. I usually let people get a peek of the spaces they're not going to be using, right? So there's a place to sit. It's beautiful up back, big backyard. That's back there. We can also sit if you want to be outside, if you need to have some time to do any outside stuff. Of course, there's the kitchen, and sometimes I do videos on this couch. So there's that space as well. And moving back here, actually, I'll just show you some of the books I have. Let's see if I can do this without the little wires getting involved. All right, so I have some books. Mommy Snuggles book, Someone Hold Me book, Samantha Has Touch book, the Book of Cuddles, and then down below, some more touch kind of books that deal with the issue of touch. So there is that as well. So I'm literally on the floor. All right, let me get back up here. All right, now I invite you to use the restroom. Let's have you take a look at that. Maybe not much has changed. What? There's a note here? Hey, welcome, future clients. You can see, you really get to see all, you probably saw this before. There's my ring light. Hi, which I've obviously don't have it plugged in. A few little things I have here, just kind of gives you a little context about me, what's important to me. Oops, let's move on this way. So come with me now. Leaving the bathroom space, and now we're in the cuddle space. So I'm gonna set you down for a second. So here's this poof, right? Whoops, you can't really see it. Mr. Bear isn't gonna get much fun out of the poof, but I can get in there, and what's kind of really fun is to jump into the poof. So I'm gonna jump in the poof so y'all can see what's possible. All right, make sure everything's covered. You're like, woo! So that's that. Be in the poof, and you could imagine being with me. This kind of tacos you up, right? We squeeze our bodies together in this space. I'll put that guy away. So there's the poof for you. All right. And then we have some spaces for people to put their stuff down if they need it. And then we have the actual cuddle space. I realize my face looks funny. Okay, so this is where most of the cuddling though happens. And I'll just give you an idea of what that might look like. So, I have people come and they sit down here, they lie here, they check this space out. They usually will grab one of these pillows, will lie down, lie down and start different poses, positions, what might feel good to you. Explore different types of ways to be with another human being. Maybe it's not lying down, maybe you're not ready for that and you would prefer to sit, so I can either sit and have you here next to me or lie down or whatever might feel good. So there's definitely multiple options. Because this is a sectional, bring it a little bit closer. Because this is a sectional, what also happens is I can take this apart and make it more of like a couch and have a centerpiece here, like remove the centerpiece, and people can sit in like a couch as well, in case they're not really looking or not ready to lie down in the space. So that's pretty much it. I guess for somewhat some safety, I do have a HEPA filter that's running in the space as well to keep the space as virus and bug free as possible. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. So I hope you got a better idea of what it looks like, at least to come and have a session with me and cuddle with me and explore human touch, human connection, communication, affection, nurture. Lots of love for all of you out there, and yeah, the possibilities. And yes, this is kind of an upgrade. I want to, I guess, not really apologize, but I realized I never made a video of the last space I've been in the last few years. That has, I was working out of my garage. I converted into a cuddle space, and I never made the video. So all of this furniture, all this stuff here was over there, and I didn't have this here before when I was using this space. For those of you who remember from a previous video of me being here. So now this is here with all the new upgraded stuff and much more comfortable and, you know, inviting, hopefully. Hope you feel that, and just let me know when you're ready for a session. I'm here. Please look for my contact information in the description somewhere, or find me, or just message me, however it works, wherever you find this video. All right, take care, you all.